Nancy Pelosi loads up on more Nvidia shares, sells part of Microsoft's stake before Q4 earnings. This article came out on August 1st. S&P 500 futures bounce after index posts worst day in nearly 2 years. And this is after today the stock market This is after today the stock market had probably one of the worst days ever in the market. You can see all of the big names that you could think of, except for AMD for today, right? You know, you got Alibaba, Qualcomm, T-Mobile, Procter & Gamble, Taiwan Semi. But if you want to take a better look into who took the beating, really the Magnificent Seven took the actual beating in a way. You know, you got Meta down 2%, the S&P 500 down 2%, Microsoft down 3%, Amazon 4%, Tesla down 4%, Google down 4%, Apple down 4%, and Nvidia is down 6%. But then, sorry. And then, you got the S&P 500 futures, in the green, after today, what happened with stocks being in the red today, right? So in a way, I feel like what happened today was a correction, right? I don't personally feel like the stock market could go in a recession. And I don't think stocks are crashing anytime soon, to be honest with you. Now, let's say, stocks do crash, right? What's my next move if I were to invest into stocks, right? For the long term. If I were to invest into stocks for the long term, I would, let's see, where's that website? I would dollar cost average. So what is dollar cost averaging? Basically, it's an approach to purchasing an investment in which the buyer spreads out their purchases so that the total price paid is less affected by market timing. So let's say, for example, I don't know, let's take a look at Nvidia, right? For example, let's say you bought it here at the high of 135, right? And let's say you're like, okay, I'm just going to wait for, I don't know, a support level of 121, right? And a couple of days pass, Nvidia drops to 121 or 116, right? You buy there, right? And your average of 135 won't be 135. It'll probably go down to maybe 133, sort of, right? And if you keep buying more, you can bring your average down all the way from 135 to possibly all the way down to 121 or 116, right? And you can use this strategy whether it be in the crypto or in the stock market. Obviously, that's what I'm doing with my Bitcoin, with my crypto portfolio. As you can see, crypto right now overall. Let's see, why is this thing not refreshing? Okay, I don't know why it's, oh, here we go, sorry. You can see right now, right? Bitcoin was down almost 10% yesterday, right? I can show you here, hold on, this is a better way to show you guys. Not this, hold on. Where's crypto? Okay, let's take a look at it. Let's take a look at Bitcoin, for example, right? Yesterday, Bitcoin had what was it? Bitcoin was down yesterday on Sunday, August the 4th, 2024. It was down almost 11%. It was down 11%. And in a way, right, the next following day, which is August 5th of 2024 on a Monday, right? Bitcoin had touched the level of 49,000. Now, do I think Bitcoin could go down a bit lower in the stock market as well. I feel like in a way right now the crypto and stock market could see a little bit of how do you say, like a little bit of upside in these couple of days, and then maybe in the next couple of days later on, maybe, you know, stocks and crypto could crash a little further or go down a little further. But obviously that's nothing to worry about, because if you're investing into crypto or into stocks for the long term, there's no worries of what could happen in the foreseeable future, right? Well, obviously you can't see the future, right? But neither can I. But
guess what, bro?
I don't know. I just feel like whatever happens in the, you know, in the stock or crypto market, I feel like it's nothing that you should worry about. Obviously, if you have cash on the side, right, that's good, because you can invest into whether it be in crypto or stocks, right, for the long term.
And there's no money in here.
And, you know, if you want to take a look at some stocks that are on sale, right, I personally feel like Meta, I feel like it was a good opportunity when it was down here at the 455 level. And right now after hours they're up like 484. Now if, you know, Meta decides to crash, you know, along with the rest of the stock market, right, I'd be on the lookout to see if Meta can bounce off the 180-day moving average. SPY, you can see SPY had a very, you know, a very impactful day, which was today, right? Its low was 510, and now after hours they're 522. So I feel like in a way this was a correction to the market in a way. I did feel like in a way the stock market was kind of a little bit overextended or overbought. But let's say if, you know, SPY decides to crash, right, in the upcoming days, I would be on the lookout for the 180-day moving average to see if SPY can bounce off that. You got Microsoft. Microsoft, I feel like is way oversold, right? And it kind of hovered in this range where it's at right now, 397, 387, somewhat, right? And then you can see after hours they're, you know, they're up 401 with 75 cents. Like, that's so crazy, you know? So if you were to buy in these stocks, right, I feel like for the long term there's nothing that you should worry about, right? But if you want to take a look at stocks that you want to, you know, take a look at, right, you want to find out, oh, I want to find out like what stocks are on sale, right? You can go on this website called finvest.com, right? You click on screener, you click on market cap, you click where it says on mega, and then you click on performance, right? And then you click on what is it, performance year to date, and then it's going to show you the stocks from worst to best. And then you can analyze this list and make a, you know, your own little watch list and be like, oh, this is, you know, this stock is at support, maybe I could enter, you know, I could buy a little bit of that stock, right, for the long term or whatever, right, or to trade whatever, right?
You know, garage snails, everybody's too fucking slow these days.
God damn it.
You know, I'm gonna go up there and I'm gonna rip his face off.
And yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, hopefully you guys did well in the market, whether it be you getting into, you know, investing or trading, right? But other than that, that's pretty much it. We will see what happens in the stock market. Do I think the stock market could crash, you know, further? That's something that I don't know. I really don't know, to be honest. Nobody knows, right? It's like, in a way, you're gambling if you were to do like, I don't know, like I don't know. I just don't know. I don't know. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you guys have a good day or a good night or whenever you're seeing this. As always, take care, and if you want to sign up with Webull, you can sign up with my Webull link in the description below. As always, take care, and I'll see you in the next video. As always, take care. Bye.